I am literally so excited for what we're about to do today. I've had this item on my bucket list for the longest time and I'm so excited. We are going to a little animal sanctuary farm and we're gonna do the bedtime routine for baby cows, sheeps, bunnies. That's literally my dream and I'm gonna take you guys along.
Oh my god. It's over.
I think there's a high chance I might be one of like 10 people remaining that still uses this, but it's good. I got this as a free sample from TikTok Shop and it's literally the best thing I've gotten from TikTok Shop, and it's also the best hair product I've ever used. I normally have very like poofy, frizzy hair. I can never let my hair air dry, and also like it's kind of hard to style my hair, especially straightening it. If I blow dry my hair straight, it will generally poof up, but not with this. I just have to like go over my hair once and it will stay like that until my next shower. Amazing. You can tell that I've been using this and I will be repurchasing this for sure. Also, it smells amazing. This combined with the detox shampoo has actually changed my hair so much. Since my hair is dry and poofy, as I mentioned, it's also usually very matte, but now my hair shines like a Victoria's Secret model. And I also got the unbrushed brush from Heat. I think that's Heat. And it's really good actually. It's very good at detangling hair without like pulling, tugging, or like hurting. But one thing I really dislike is this. I know that makes me sound so bougie, but I switched to the Dyson Supersonic Hairdryer 2 years ago and my life was changed. I'm not a hardcore Airwrap fan, but the Supersonic is seriously a life changer, a game changer for people who have similar hair as mine. I can't leave my hair to air dry because for some reason my roots will not dry. And then it looks like greasy and sticky even though I just showered. And it takes forever to dry my hair. But the Dyson literally dries my hair in like 10 minutes. It's amazing. We're moving in a couple of weeks, so I had to sell my Dyson because it doesn't work in Europe. And I got a temporary replacement, but I hate it. and I'm so excited to buy a new one as soon as possible. I just made myself some iced hibiscus tea, and I wanted to tell you guys about the farm experience yesterday. It was so cute. It was not exactly what I was expecting. I thought there would be more like hands-on experience, actually like feeding and maybe like brushing the animals, and it wasn't really like that. But I think it's also because it was more geared towards children, like younger children. But we still did get a chance to like feed baby goats, but they give them like this much milk, and the goats are young and super excited, and they finish their milk in like 2 seconds. The piglets did not want anything to do with anyone, so we were basically just chasing them, trying to pet them. It was so funny because I thought we would be like the only kind of adult children that would be there. And I was right. There was a bunch of like younger children with their parents. The parents were like, just, you do you, I don't want to touch anything. To each their own. One thing that I really wanted to do was feed the cows, and we didn't actually have enough time to do that, but I asked the girl if I could stay longer and like help her out feeding the cows, and she said yes. So we actually got a little VIP private experience, which was so nice. It was nice to do at least that alone, because most of the time you're like waiting your turn to give a camel a piece of lettuce or something, which is what we signed up for, so I'm not complaining. But if you ever need like a little serotonin boost, it's such a good date idea for sure. And there was a bunch of kittens, and I found out that my husband is apparently a cat whisperer. And this morning we just went out for a morning walk, did a mini grocery haul, and I think we're just gonna have a little nice day in, do some laundry, make dinner, because it's scorching outside. So it's gonna be a chill day today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It's a beautiful sunny Sunday in Philly, and one thing that we haven't done since moving here, but we've wanted to, is Headhouse Farmers Market. So we thought today would be the perfect day to go. I'm just wearing a plain white Lucky Brand tank, my Hollister shorts, and I'm gonna wear these black Calvin Klein flip-flops. I also have the best tote in the world, my Marlowe tote, which is like so big, sturdy, perfect for the market. And I'm just gonna wear my Club Masters. Let's go.